Hey folks, in this video I want to show a demo of what we've done around automation of installing TCE. So we plan to use this for running end-to-end tests. So prior to running end-to-end tests, we will install TCE automatically depending on the platform. So here I have this thing called TCE installer. So I'm just gonna download it up and I'm gonna untar it. So this is called the TCE installer, and so we have this thing called TCE installer now. So you can actually run this and oops. Okay, so I haven't actually signed this binary, so I'm gonna quickly sign this up. Um, just a moment. And I'm just gonna get rid of that issue of like, signing. Cool. So now, so I run this and it says provide exactly one argument with TC version. Example usage is this. So let's say I run with 0.11 and you can actually see it putting logs around saying starting install of TC version 0.11.0 and then getting the artifact URL and it's starting off the download of this. So as of now, we don't show a progress, but soon we plan to show say dots for the progress so that it's friendly for the CI/CD instead of showing like an interactive progress bar because for CI/CD that would put a lot of lines and like just put dots that can help us understand if it's stuck or in a progressing. So you can actually see that it's installing this whole thing and so running this command install.sh and it's like running the whole thing. So if you want to run this, you could actually also run this as like sudo and to ensure that you have the particular proper access. Since I just typed the password over here recently, it didn't ask me for the password, but you would have to like use sudo to actually run this TCE installer so that you don't get a password prompt after this point. At least for CI/CD, you need to do that for Mac and Linux. So that's the installation on Mac. So I am on Mac, and well, you can actually see the logs over here. It's showing like installing the plugin and all that, and it says different logs over here. It says info and error. So this is because Tanzu puts the log, this log on standard output, and then this log on standard error. So we show it as error, but this is something we'll consider and think about what we can show it as instead of error. But yeah, that's that. I'll do another video of like how we automate the installation on Linux and Windows also. I'll see you on another one. Bye bye.